The mind-blowing reality of the law of assumption, your new superpower. Once you understand this, everything changes. What if I told you that everything you have been taught about manifesting your dreams is dead wrong? That you have been lied to about what it really takes to create the life you want. Hey, it's me, your friend. I'm about to blow your mind. Forget everything you thought you knew about the law of attraction, because today we are diving deep into the law of assumption. And trust me, once you get this, your entire world is gonna flip upside down. You have probably heard a million times that you need to believe 100% in your goals to make them happen, right? Well, what if I told you that's complete BS? I remember the days when I was struggling in a small firm with less pay, desperately wanting a better job, but part of me felt it was out of reach, impossible. I would sit in my office chair surrounded by the daily chaos and daydream about my ideal company, imagining what it would be like to work there. At some point, I let that dream slip from my mind. Then guess what? Within 6 months, I landed the exact job I had once longed for. How on earth did that happen? Especially when I did not fully believe it was possible. Here is the real thing. I will suggest you don't need unwavering belief. You need something way more powerful, the law of assumption. The law of assumption is like a cheat code for reality. The same way we have cheat codes in the games to unlock something. It is not about forcing yourself to believe. It is about assuming the feeling of already having what you want. Your subconscious does not know the difference between reality and imagination. It just responds to the signals you send it. When I started embracing the feeling of already working at my dream job, the excitement of walking into that office, the pride of contributing to cutting-edge projects, my subconscious responded, "Oh, this is my reality now? Great, let me make that happen." And just like that, my reality began to shift. I naturally started taking actions that aligned with the assumed reality. I updated my resume with confidence, reached out to connections I had previously been too afraid to contact, and aced my interviews with a calm certainty that the job was already mine. And you know what? The universe conspired to make it happen. So when you assume the feeling of already having the car, your subconscious go, "Oh, this is our reality now. Cool, let me make that happen." And boom, your reality starts shifting. The law of assumption is really so simple that people will forget about it. It is so easy. You literally just need to get on the frequency of your desires. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, how does this actually work? How can just feeling something make it real? I get it. I used to think manifestation was some magic trick, but then I learned about quantum physics and holy crap, did everything change. Here is the mind-blowing part. We are all electromagnetic beings. Your thoughts, they are electrical impulses. Your feelings, they are magnetic frequencies. When you combine a clear intention, that is the electrical part, with the feeling of already having it, that is the magnetic part. You become an unstoppable manifestation machine. You are literally tuning your body to the frequency of your desires. It is like you are sending out this irresistible signal to the universe, and it has no choice but to respond. That's how I manifested my dream girl without even trying. I just held the feeling of being with her, and bam, she showed up in my life like magic. Now I know what you are thinking. Okay, but don't I need to hustle and take massive action to make my dreams come true? Nope, that is another lie you have been fed, and it is probably why you are exhausted and frustrated right now. Here is the liberating truth. You don't need to do a damn thing. Your subconscious mind is already working 24/7 to create your reality. All you need to do is feed it the right instructions. Remember, your subconscious does not have eyes or ears. It only knows what you tell it through your assumptions and feelings. So when you constantly assume and feel like you already have what you want, your subconscious says, "Gotcha, boss, I will make that happen." And here is where it gets crazy. The way your desires manifest will often be way bigger and more amazing than you could have planned. That is why you don't need to stress about the how. The universe has way better plans than your limited mind can come up with. Look, I know this might sound too good to be true. I was skeptical at first too, but once I started applying the law of assumption, my entire life transformed. And I'm not special. This works for everyone who truly gets it. Imagine waking up every day feeling the excitement of already living your dream life. Imagine the relief of knowing that the universe has your back, working tirelessly to bring your desires into reality. Imagine the joy of watching your wildest dreams unfold effortlessly before your eyes. That is the power of the law of assumption, and it is available to you right now. So here is what I want you to do in the comments below. I want you to write down 3 things you are manifesting as if they have already happened. Feel the emotions of having those things right now, and then come back to this video when they manifest, because trust me, they will. Remember, you don't need to believe it 100%. You just need to assume it, feel it, leave it in your mind, and watch as your reality catches up to your imagination. This is the secret that changes everything. Use it wisely and prepare for your mind to be blown. Until next time, keep assuming greatness. Peace out.